Hey everybody, today I've got a 1988 F Super Duty dually stake bed. The gentleman wants a headlight switch put in it. So he got a headlight switch for it and he couldn't figure out how to get the knobs off. So I'm going to show you how to get the knobs off. So on these trucks here, when you pull the headlight on, I'm just going to give you a little. That's too much light, isn't it? Well, there is a little window right here. And what you do is you take a 90-degree hook tool. And I'm going to probably need both hands. There's a metal clip inside. You push on the metal, well, you pull back on the metal clip, and the knob will start to slide off. See, it's already sliding off. So let me put the camera down for a second and I'll get the, here, I'll just set you right there. Let me get this knob off and I'll show you what it looks like. All right. Bink. So inside the knob is that little metal piece. And what you end up doing is using the little window here. You push back on that metal piece and it will release it from the stem. The windshield wiper knob is the same way. It's got a window right. These lights are too bright. There's a window. Can you see the window right there? It has a window also. You just take your hook tool and you hook it and you pull back on the metal. Very difficult to do one-handed, and it pulls off. Now this one here, actually the little clip stayed on. We're gonna have to get that off. So you can see that's actually good because you can see how it works. Is this piece here is what traps the metal piece on. So now if I pull on this here, it should slide right off. And I can put it, yep, see? It comes right off. And now I can put this back into the knob. Goes in just like that. Okay, now that we got the two knobs off, now we'll go ahead and get this piece off because there's going to be a nut in here, and not sure if there's any screws. There's two screws up. There's two screws up here in the bezel, but I think this piece now just pulls off. There we go. So now the headlight switch is right there. Oh, this one's really easy. You can take and take the bolts out, and this whole assembly should slide out. Let me get an 8mm and get that assembly out. Alrighty, I was wrong. There's 7mm bolts, and once you get the 7mm bolts out, then this assembly should slide out. So now I will unplug the connector, take the nut off here, and the switch should come out. Once again, I'm going to need two hands, but anyway, that's how you get to either the wiper switch or the headlight switch on this one. And I was wondering if this one's melted. It doesn't appear to be melted. If it's melted, well, let me come back after I get this apart and we'll see if the switch is melted. All right, I went ahead and loosened this nut. So you take this nut loose. Once you get that nut off, set it down there. And now the switch, you should be able to get the switch out of here. So now you need to pry this off. Usually these tabs break. Trying to be careful. Don't have a screwdriver. It's starting to come. It's just real hard to get this thing unplugged. There we go. Up, and see right there, that one connector is a little bit melted, so he didn't get a connector for it. And you can, let's see, it went which way? It goes that way, so it's this one. So you can see this terminal here has gotten hot. So I'm gonna call him, have him come down and look at it, see if he wants to get a new connector and a new wiring there, and we'll go from there. So there you go, everybody. That's how you take the headlight switch or the wiper switch out of an 88 F250, 150, Super Duty, any one that has this style dash. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.